Hi there, this is Nick Renfro at Hawkinson Kia in the Matson Auto Mall with your video introduction for the 2013 Kia Sorento. I have an awesome lineup of brand new Kia Sorentos all in stock, ready for you to test drive today. All ready right here, every color, every option, every piece of equipment that you could possibly get, I have at Hawkinson Kia in the Matson Auto Mall. I also have a great selection of pre-owned 2011, 2012s, and even a couple 2013 Sorentos in stock, just in case we can't get to where you need to be on a 2013 brand new. Call me today, 708-720-8943. We're real close to you guys, probably about 15-20 minutes away, right in the Matson Auto Mall on the corner of I-57 and Route 30 in Matson, Illinois. We got interest rates as low as 1.9% depending on how long you finance, and we can even get some cash back with that. We have incentives as high as $2,500 depending on which model you choose. Call me today, 708-720-8943, or email me at nick@hawkinsonkia-nissan.com. I look forward to meeting you and scheduling you for a test drive, so call me today, 708-720-8943. That's Nick at Hawkinson Kia.